Hey, Fernando here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an annotation from Slack with a new mention. It's very simple. I will show you step by step how you do it. First of all, click on Make a Zap. I will choose Slack. We will do here the new mention. Continue. You choose your account. I will keep this empty, but I can choose from here the users. I will keep for all users. I will put here annotation. You can put the word you want. I will test the trigger. Okay, I have one annotation. Okay, on my Slack I did here. Okay, so it found it. Here I will choose webhooks. I choose post. Okay, now I go to GA Annotations. I will go to the documentation. I go to post, annotations. I copy this. Okay, pay attention, there is no space here. Now I take okay, and the show at, okay, the date is optional now. Okay, you don't have to fill it. If you keep it empty, it will take the date of today. Okay, here I will just write Slack event name. I will choose, and you can choose any option you want. I will choose the channel name just for an example. The URL, let's see if I have an URL here. URL, no, here. Here's what it says. Profile. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, or you can take your own domain. And in description I will put the text. Okay, here I need to take this word. Okay, copy, paste, and here you take the word beer. Make one space only. Go to API's key and Slack 2, generate, copy, go to Zapier and paste. Okay, continue. Let's test. Okay, test successfully. Let's turn on. Okay, the Zap is on. Okay, let's see if it's in the test. Here, this is the test. This is the test. Now let's go and do one test. This is my Zap test. No, sorry. This is my Zap test for annotation. Okay, I need to put the word I mentioned. Okay, now it's going to work. Okay, let's go here, let's refresh. here. Okay, we can go also to the analytics. I will refresh. We have here the date. Okay. Oh. Okay, as you can see here, you have the annotation. So that's all. You can create now annotations from Slack with new mention, and you can make any Zap you want from Zapier. Okay, they are all more or less the same. Thank you. See you on next video.